guys, welcome back to the OnBrand podcast. My name is Anshan.
My name is Rynell.
And today we're joined by Rynell.
Hey everyone, my name is Rynell from Euphoria by Rynell, and today we're going to do a joint workout. And the idea behind Euphoria is that in order to achieve euphoria and to feel good in your own skin, you should have fun in the process. So it's not about the muscles, it's not about the abs, it's about having fun while doing so. And today we're going to show you a little bit of how you can do that.
So for people at home, some people with some outfit, with some look good and feel good in workout. And
Without further ado, let's get to it.
And bring it down. Okay, 3 down, 1 up, so it's 2, 1, stretch it up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, okay, so, down, and up, down, and up, down, up. Watch it up. Okay, run it up. You can do this one after me, so. Shake it out, shake it out. Okay. Let's do the jump and jacks, yeah? Let's try to do it on the beat. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we're going too fast. What is that? Okay, faster. Let's double tap it up. Look it out. Okay, let's finish with a dance move, okay? Let's go. 8. So get ready. We're gonna start with the BBB. That stands for buik, billen, benen in Dutch. That means belly, booty, and legs. Ready? Let's get it. Okay, stand stable, push your hips back. Let's do the single squats. Yeah? You with me? Let's go. And down, and up, down, and up. Okay, focus on your breathing. Keep continuous pressure on your belly. Engage your core. Keep it up. Aye. Okay, we're gonna do a knee lift. It's down and knee. Down and knee. Bring your elbow towards your knee and your knee towards your elbow. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, combination. It's down and your calves. Up and down. Good. 8. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. All right. So faster. So down and calves. Keep it up. Down and calves. Down, calves, down. Keep it up. And now start to burn. That's a burner. Okay, just the singles. And now you bring your hips forward. Feel the pressure in your booty. Aye. Knee lift. So down, knee, down, knee, down, knee, down, knee. Keep on breathing, guys. Woo. Down, knees, down, knees, down. Let's do the singles. Down and hips. Down, hips. Down, down, hips. We're almost there. We're near the end. Woo. Ay, ay, Dios mío. All right, relax, check it out. Oh, this one is not over. Okay. But that's nice. Take a breather.
Okay.
So the next one, we're gonna do the lunges, yeah? So I'm gonna explain it in a bit. I'm gonna explain it now. When you step forward, make sure the knee won't pass the toes, yeah? Or as little as possible, yeah? So we start with the right leg forward and left one back, yeah? Okay. And the song is gonna start. Come on. 5, 5, hey. Okay, give me 4. So, 4, up, 3, up, 2, up, 1, and switch. 4, 3, right forward, yeah. Switch, right forward. Switch. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, and hey. All right. So the wrap part, we're gonna do the singles. Yeah. Just keep on stepping forward and take your time with it. So down, switch. In case you're not doing with your balance, stretch your arms out like a plane, you know? Woo!
Killing me.
We have 2, last one. Okay, now 5 minutes.
I'm gonna need that water break over here.
All right, so you're going with your right leg to the back and bring the knee up. Yeah? 4 right, 4 left.
Okay.
Okay. Get ready. In 4, in 3, in 2, 1. Hit. Down, up, down, up, down. Up. All right, let's switch. Switch. Down, up, up. Up, switch, down, woo, come on, switch, bum. Okay, 5 minutes coming. 3, 2, 1, 5. All right, let's do the singles. One by one forward. Okay, you want a challenge? And hold it. Oh, the sun is over.
Oh.
The sun is over.
Check
Check it out.
I'm dying.
Okay.
I'm dying. Right now.
Okay, I hope you're sweating as well. And now we're going to do something for the inner thighs. One more.
But you got ass.
Open it up as wide as possible. Push your hips to the back. Yeah, and we're going down and up. Okay, let's go down and up. Hips back. So, down, hips forward. Keep it wide. Bum. Hip forward. Really squeeze the buttocks. Hey. Okay, 3 down. So, 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. Are you ready? Let's do the singles again. Up. Down. Woo. And up. Hey, is it burning or what? Okay, let's go to the left. It's down. 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 Woo. Okay, to the right. Hey, down. Okay, one by one. It's down and up. Down and up. Let me hear you. Un espíritu quiero, espíritu está en curva. Okay, and now we're gonna skate, double tempo. So, down. I don't like skating, but guess we'll do. 4, 3, 2, challenge. Hold. Four, 3, 2, relax. All right, in 4, 3, 2, let's get it. Sideways, sideways slide. Down, 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 down. Woo. Keep on breathing. Oh, we're done. Take something to drink. And now we're going to continue with the second part of the BBB workout. We're going on the floor. We're going to work on those booties and the abs, of course. So grab your mat and let's get it. So everyone, we're going to start with our booty workout. So drop down to the mat on your knees, hands forward, and let's get it. A 90-degree angle between your belly and your thighs. And we start with the right leg, yeah? That's what you want. Alright, keep the pressure in your belly. Let's go. And down. And down. And up. And down. 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 Alright, let's switch. And left. Alright. And up. And down. Up. And down. Up. Give me 4 more. And up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And the last one. Alright, one by one. Starting with the right one. And up. And down. And up. Have a drink. Up. Okay, now we're going to turn on our backs. We're not going to sleep. We're going to work. Lie down. Make sure you touch your heels. And bring the hips up and down. Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. So, squeeze it, relax. Squeeze it, relax. Squeeze it. Okay, stay up. Up. Stay up. Is this a workout? Is this a workout? And hold it. Feel it burn.
Oh my God!
Okay, one more time. Up. 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 Come on, keep it on, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah? The abs. So, you have to imagine, we're going to start with the bicycle. Yeah?
Okay.
And you know, here in Holland, sometimes we are late to go to where we need to go. So, you have to imagine we are on our bicycle and we are rushing to get to work. Yeah? So, we're going to do the bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah?
In a rush?
In a rush. No. We're going to start slowly, like, you know, you think you have time. And then you realize, oh crap, I'm late.
Okay.
Yeah? Let's go. Bring your elbows towards your knees. Yeah? Let's go. Okay, leg up. Hands on the steering wheel. Woo! And in. And in. And in. And in. And in. Oh my God, no! I'm late! What? And up! Come on! 4, 3, 2. Okay. Relax down. You have to reach up there. Yeah? Let's go. And down. And down. Come on! Jump it up! One more. Okay. And you have to reach your ankles now, yeah? Turn your hands upwards. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. And touch. Okay, now you're done working. And you need to go home. So you will have time. You have time. Oh no, you're realizing you have to go to dinner. What?
I
Do. 4, 3, 2. Okay. Okay. Turn ready. Okay, on your hands, stretch your legs out. Bring your knee to your elbows. In and out. In and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Okay, give me 4 more. You can continue. Come on. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Good. Woo. What was it?
Almost there,
Good
guys.
night. Come on. And hold it. Till the end of the song. I think so. Oh, it's over.
Done.
It's over.
Yay!
It's over. Alright. So I hope you're feeling okay. I hope you're feeling pumped. I hope you're feeling good and euphoric. We're gonna continue with the pudding now. So lay down. Close your eyes if you want to. No, you have to look at us. So don't close your eyes. so stay down and let's stretch for it. Let's go. Alright. So bring your right leg towards your belly. Alright, hold it. Stretch your legs up and hold it. Stay there. Stretch left in, hold it. Bring it up. Stretch your legs out. Slowly down. Turn your belly. Hold your hands alongside your chest and roll it up. Come back. Hands on the floor. On your toes. We're gonna stand up slowly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. So now, open up your legs and go slowly down and open. Up, 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 up. Right. Inhale. Stay up, stretch it up, 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 up. Both arms up, and give me a pose in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pose.